Hey, what's going on, y'all? In this video, I'm going to show you my method for cooking ground turkey meat, turkey burgers using your air fryer. So for this method, as you can tell, the turkey meat is already defrosted. This is not a video showing you how to do frosted ones, although I'm sure that's possible. This is just for the defrosted version. Now, what I typically like to do is I'll take the pack, I'll open it up, and then I will form approximately 5 patties. With these 5 patties, they will come out a little bit big, a little bit rounder than what you probably expect. So if you want your turkey burgers to be a little bit smaller, a little bit flatter, and of course reduce the size as proportionate. That being said, once I complete these turkey burgers that I make with my bare hands, I will then off-scene wash my hands because that's just what I like to do in between touching raw meat and other items. And so here comes the last burger now. I'll wash my hands and I'll use my favorite seasoning, which is McCormick roasted garlic herb seasoning. And you don't have to use seasoning, but I recommend if you want some flavor on your turkey burger, to go ahead and season it appropriately with your favorite one. And you can season both sides as you want, but I typically choose just to season one. Now here's the air fryer basket. My air fryer, I put a little bit of cooking oil on the basket itself. Not cooking spray, but cooking oil. Just dab it on a paper towel and kind of rub around the actual grill itself. That way the patty is sure to not stick. Next, I'll then of course insert it into the air fryer itself, which is a requirement. Me personally, I kind of like picking a 400-degree temperature, and I'll go somewhere between 12 and 10 minutes. Now, this air fryer preheats, and it preheats for approximately 2 minutes. So because I don't want to wait for that, I'll set the 10 and let it preheat for the 2 minutes it's supposed to. And there they are. All right. So now let's finish. We'll take a look and see what we have here. And halfway through, I did flip the burgers over. So maybe at the halfway mark of your 10 or 12 minutes, again, typically 12, flip it over, and that way you make sure it's getting evenly cooked on both sides. And man, you can't smell it, but these smell great. And again, they do look a little bit big, a little bit balled up, but that's typically the way that I prefer it anyways. All right, now as you know, we're cooking anything in an air fryer. Your air fryer is usually going to get dirty, so just make sure you clean that appropriately before your next meal. And I'll cut open into the turkey burger just to make sure it's thoroughly cooked. If you don't want to do this, you can use a cooking thermometer and follow directions on the package to determine what is completely cooked versus raw. And there you have it. That is how I make my turkey burgers in the air fryer, and you can do the same.